Hello everyone, welcome to today's class of Part 7 KCET 2020 Solved. I'm Clotilda Reshma, a maths educator on Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. I teach KCET in Unacademy. Before starting my class, I request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. In Unacademy, I also take up the comprehensive batch course, which is a plus course, as well as I teach special classes over there. Follow me using the link which is given in the description box to get the regular updates. So you will get notifications if you follow me on Unacademy, and you will get different secrets here if you are following me in Unacademy. Okay? Yes. So here we go for the part 7 of KCET 2021 solved. So before I come to the question, we have here different plans on this Unacademy, the India's largest learning platform. So you can see the comprehensive batch course, which is for PCMB, which is started in this KCET 2021. Yes, and in this plus course, the complete syllabus is covered. Tips and tricks are given by the top educators. Topic-wise practice questions are there and full-length mock tests are there. Yes? Okay. And yes, so if you use my code ReshmaLobo17, if you use my code ReshmaLobo17, you will get extra 10% off on any of the plus courses which you join on this platform, the Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. There are different plans here, that is 12, 6 or 1 month plan. So yes, so please join Unacademy for the special classes as well as the plus course. Yes. Okay. So here we are with the 7th part of 2020 question paper solved. Yes. So we'll solve the first question of today's session. Question number 43. Yes. First, let us understand what exactly is the question. Okay, so what exactly is the question? First, let us understand. Yes. So we have here the maximum value of log x by x if x is greater than 0 is. Question asked is, answer to the question here. Understand the question first. What they have asked, maximum value. And maximum value or minimum value, what is the procedure? I'll just explain to you the procedure and then I'll get back to the question. So with the given f of x, the function would be given to us. The procedure is, first you find f dash of x. Next step, f dash of x equal to 0. F dash is the derivative. Okay, f dash of x I equate to 0. What is that? I am going to get here is the critical points. So I'm going to get the critical points when I equate this first derivative equal to 0. Now I take the double derivative, the second derivative of f dash of x. Once again I differentiate. In this I substitute this x value. If I'm getting a negative answer, that is f dash of x, if I'm getting a negative answer, then I know the function is maximum at this point x. And if I'm getting a positive answer, we know the function is minimum at this point. That is a critical point. Okay? Yes. So now let us begin with this answer. I have a shortcut for you here. What is asked here? The maximum value of log x by x. So let me call that log x by x is equal to f of x. Okay? So f of x is equal to log x by x. I need to find the first derivative. So f dash of x is equal to, this is the quotient rule. So how do I do? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator square. So it is x into 1 by x, that is log x derivative, minus log x into derivative of x, which is 1. So this x and x gets cancelled, whole divided by x square. So what you got now, f dash of x is equal to 1 minus log x whole divided by x square. So this f and f dash is over. What is my next step? Equate to 0. So when I equate f dash of x equal to 0, so this x square will join 0 and it is 0. So you're getting 1 minus log x will become 0. Okay, so therefore what do I get now? Minus log x shifted to the other side. So log x is equal to 1. How to get rid of log now? Take exponential on both sides. So here e power log will become 1. So you're getting x is equal to e. So this is the critical point. Now understand this. I have got only one critical point, and if maximum or minimum should exist, it should exist at that point only, no? So why do I find f double dash? The maximum value means what? Maximum value means I have to substitute that critical point in the given question. So I got x value as e, substitute in f of x. Therefore maximum value is equal to, so therefore maximum value is equal to log e. And if base is not mentioned, it is understood always it is e the natural logarithm whole divided by x is e. So what is it? What is log e by e? Log e to the base e is always 1. So I'm getting 1 by e. So this is my answer, B option. So B option gives me the maximum value of log x by x. Yes? Okay. I hope you have understood this. Yes? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 44. Yes. Now this is slightly trickier question. A question from application of derivatives. Here we have from approximation. This concept is from approximation. Okay, first let us understand what is given in the question. Okay, yes. If the side of a cube, now suppose the side is x, the side of a cube is increased. That means there is a change. There is a change in the side of a cube, and it is increased by what? 5% of x. Okay, so what is given to us? Delta x. If x is a side, now this is increased to 5% of the side x. I have to find out then the surface area of the cube is increased to what percentage. So I have to find that the surface area is increased to what percentage. Now understand the figure here. What is the figure? Figure is the cube. Okay, so first of all, this figure is a cube. What is the surface area of a cube? Cube means we know a dice. So how is this? What is the surface area? 6 times we have the squares, is it? A square is x square. So we have area, that is surface area is 6x square. Okay, yes. So I require to find the change in the surface area. How do I get? What is approximation formula telling us? So change in the surface area is approximately equal to dA by dx into delta x. Okay, so I need to find dA by dx from here. So dA by dx is equal to 12x. So now substitute here. So this is approximately equal to 12x into 5% of x, isn't it? Okay, so this we are getting 5% of x. So here 5% of the side. So x into x you are getting x square. So this is equal to here 12, 5 by 100 it is. So you're getting 60 x square by 100. Okay, so can I write this as 10 by 100 into 6x square? Why am I writing this? This is nothing but the area. So the surface area is increased to 10%. Now here we are getting 10% of the area. So that was a question asked, slightly trickier question here. They have told us side is increased 5% of the side. Then how is the surface area increased? That was the question. So therefore the surface area of a cube is increased by, here 10 by 100 means 10%, no? So therefore surface area of a cube is increased by 10% of area. 10% of area. Okay, so this 10% is the required answer, and that is the D option. Yes, hope you have understood this also. Yes. Okay, we move on to the next question. Question number 45. Yes, this amazing. I'm going to give you a trick for this. Okay, you will get the answer within 1 minute for this. Okay, yes. So what is given to us? This is from integration chapter, the concept of partial fractions. Okay, so this is integration concept in that partial fraction. So how to solve this now? So let us see here what we have. We have integral 3x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx. Now, see, look at the answer. They have already given us a into, so this is equal to, they have mentioned a into log of x minus 1 plus b into log of x minus 2 plus c into log of x minus 3, okay, plus a constant d. Now, what is my aim? My aim is to find the values of A, B, and C. And for this, I'm going to give you a trick, a shortcut. Understand this. What is a trick is, look at the first factor in the denominator. Which is the first factor in the denominator? X minus 1. Okay, so what will happen if you put x minus 1 equal to 0? You are getting x is equal to 1. So, in the entire integrand, substitute x is equal to 1. But please don't touch that x minus 1 factor, because that is giving you 0. Isn't it? Without touching that, write the answer for the numerator, write the answer for denominator, substituting x is equal to 1. That will give you the A value. Let us try. So what is A is equal to? Yes, x is 1 now. X is 1. So come on, substitute with me. 3 into 1. 3 plus 1. So you're getting numerator 4 whole divided by, don't touch this x minus 1. Move to the next one. How much is 1 minus 2? Minus 1 into 1 minus 3. How much? Minus 2. So this minus minus becomes plus. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Isn't that simple? You got the value of A equal to 2. Okay. Same way, now shift the factor. Go to the next factor. Who is the next factor? X minus 2. Okay, so take x value equal to 2. X minus 2 you put as 0. You're getting x is equal to 2, right? Now substitute in the integrand x is equal to 2. But please don't touch x minus 2. Okay, so that will give you the second factor. So therefore second value B. So come on, help me out. So here 3 into 2, how much? 6. 6 plus 1, you are getting 7. Whole divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. Into, don't touch x minus 2, move to the next one. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So therefore, look here, you got B is equal to minus 7. Yes, so B is equal to minus 7. Just with this, are you able to guess the option? No, you have two options with the same A and B. So I have to find out C value also. For that, go to the next factor. Go to x minus 3. So what will happen if you take x minus 3 equal to 0? You are getting x is equal to 3. Got it? Okay, so now don't touch x minus 3, rest everywhere, substitute x is equal to 3. Yes, so that will give you the third constant, that is equal to C. So what is C is equal to? 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 plus 1. So that is equal to 10 whole divided by, first factor, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So therefore you got C is equal to 5. Now check which option is satisfying. 2, minus 7 and 5, that is the C option. Wasn't that interesting? Yes, I hope you have understood. Yes, we'll move on to the next question. Question number 46. Yes. So what is this question number 46 telling us? We want again integration, isn't it? Yes. So we have again integration concept. Yes. So what do I want now? Okay. So what is asked here? Integral of e to the power sin x into sin 2x dx. Okay. Now, how do I proceed? I have to think. When I get sin 2x, do you know the formula of sin 2x? Yes. So what is sin 2x formula? Sin 2x is 2 sine x into cos x. 2 sine x into cos x. Substitute that. So therefore you are getting e to the power sine x into sine to x is 2 sine x cos x. Okay, into dx. Now what we do is we take the substitution. We have learned substitution in integration. So what is the substitution? What is the substitution here? We take sine x is equal to t. So cos x dx will become equal to dt. Okay, so let us substitute now. So therefore this is equal to 2. I will write outside. So I'm getting e to the power t into sine x means t. What is cos x dx is equal to dt. Now this question changed to which type? Integration by parts. I have a shortcut idea for you. Just observe how to write the answer within seconds. Okay, yes. So for this integration by parts, what I have to tell you is, now the x part or t part, the algebraic term, you go on differentiating. First step. Then second step, write the alternate signs. Third step, you integrate. Okay, so let us see how to get it quickly. So 2 I write as it is. So this t, I write that first. T I write. Then what is the derivative of t with respect to t? It is 1. Okay, then I said write the alternate signs, plus, minus. Now this e power t you are going to integrate. What is the integral of e power t? It is equal to e power t. Yes, what is the integral of e power t? Once again e power t. Done, over. Now substitute back what is t which you have taken substitution, that is a required answer. So therefore it is 2 into. Okay, so what is that you are going to get here? So therefore this is equal to 2 into, now you can see e power t is common, no? So take it out. So e power t is common. So what is inside the bracket? T minus 1 plus a c. Now substitute. T is what? Sine x, right? Inside the bracket sine x minus 1 plus a c. Yes, which option is satisfied for us? 2 e power sine x minus 1, and that is the D option which is satisfied. Yes? Yes. Hope you have understood. Sudha? Did you understand that trick which I told you about integration by parts? What you have to do is, whenever x square, such terms are there, you have to continuously differentiate until you reach a 0. Okay. Then write alternate plus minus sign. Yes, okay, and then you have to go on integrating. So that will be very easy. Otherwise, you have to use the formula. First term integral of second minus integration of integral of second into derivative of first. So that will be a time-consuming method. For CET, use the shortcuts. Yes, okay. We'll move on to the next question. Yes, the next question, question number 47. Yes, what is this question number 47 telling us? Here also I have a shortcut for you. And all the shortcuts, please make a note of that. You will be using. If you don't make a note, you will forget the shortcuts. Okay, so let's see what shortcut we are going to get here. This is application of integrals question. Okay, application of integrals. Okay, so let us see what is given in the question. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 8x and the line which is given y is equal to 2x is asked. Right? Okay, so now whenever we have y square is equal to 4ax, the parabola, what is the trick? How to draw the figure? I will explain to you both ways. Okay? How to draw the figure? I have always told one trick here. Which variable, x or y, is having power 1? X. And where is x positive? Right side. So the parabola will turn towards the right side. So this is your parabola. And y is equal to mx. Suppose you are having this line like this. Okay? Yes, so this is your line. So you have to find out this region. Okay? That shaded region. Now, I have a shortcut for you. And what is the shortcut here is area bounded by parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. This is a standard form. And the line y is equal to mx is area is equal to, what you have to do is 8 by 3 a square you have to write, whole divided by m cube. 8 by 3 a square, you remember, whole divided by m cube. Now, from the parabola, m is from the line. Now, how to remember where is m cube? You have another formula, that is when you have x square is equal to 4ay. So, x square is equal to 4ay and the line y is equal to mx. Let me tell you both. So, 8 by 3 a square into m cube, this will become. Okay, so now here, where is the parabola turning towards? Who is having power 1 is y, and y is positive where upward. So, you are getting this parabola. Okay, and if you are having a line like this, this is the line y is equal to mx. So, you have to find this region. Okay, so now let me tell the trick how to remember where is m cube, whether it is in the denominator or in the numerator. Okay, so now look at the figure. You can see parabola is high on top. Below that is a line, no? So, the line m will be there in the denominator. Same way, go to this one now. When you look at this figure, now line is on top, parabola is there below. So, where should be m cube? In the numerator. That is just a trick I have chosen for you all to remember. That's it. Okay. So, now we want, yes, so we want here a and m, that I should get from the parabola equation and the line equation. So, y square is equal to 8x is given the parabola. What is the standard form? Y square is equal to 4ax. So, that means 4a is equal to 8. So, a is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. And we have line y is equal to 2x. This is of the form y is equal to mx. So, m is also equal to 2. So, over, just substitute. So, area is equal to 8 by 3 into a square is 4 by 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is how much? 8. So, this 8 and 8 gets cancelled. So, you got the answer 4 by 3 square units, which is my option then. 4 by 3 square units is the A option. Wasn't that easy? Yes? Yes. So, with the trick, wasn't that easy? Yes? So, understand the trick, okay, and make a note of that. Yes, we will go to the next question, question number 48. Yes. So, let's see what trick can be applied over here. This concept is from vectors chapter, okay, vectors chapter. Okay, let's see the solution. I have a shortcut for this too. What is given? It is given to us magnitude of A cross B the whole square plus magnitude of A dot B the whole square is equal to 144. And they have given magnitude A is 6. Question asked me what is the magnitude of B. Okay, so this is the question. Now, this is the shortcut which we can use for CET. I know magnitude of A cross B the whole square plus magnitude of, that is the square, that is the cross square plus the dot square is nothing but A square B square. Okay, so here cross square plus dot square. What is this formula? Shortcut A square B square. Okay, just to fill in what you know. You know this full is equal to 144 given, that is equal to, if A magnitude is equal to 6, what is magnitude A square then? It is 36. So, 36 into magnitude of B square. So, magnitude of B square is equal to 144 by 36. 36 I am getting 4 times, no? 2s are 72, 72 into 2 once again, 144. So, 36 1s are 34, 36 4s are. So, magnitude of B square is equal to 4. But question asked is find magnitude of B. Don't be in a hurry, don't write B, that is 4 answer. So, magnitude of B is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore, we have this B option. Hope this is also easy. Yes? Hope you have understood. Just to remember, a cross square plus dot square is equal to A square B square. You will get the answer. Yes. We move on to the next question. Question number 49. Yes. So, what is it here? Again, vectors. Okay. And yes. So, if the vectors, they have given us, if the vectors 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap, and lambda I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap are coplanar. Then what is the value of lambda? What do I understand by the coplanar word? Coplanar means determinant equal to 0. Okay, so three vectors coplanar. So coplanar, if the three vectors are there, what is the condition? It is the scalar triple product of A, B and C is equal to 0. How to find the scalar triple product? It is the determinant, and in the determinant, since it is scalar, in the first line I am not writing I, J and K. I am writing the coefficients of I cap, J cap, K cap of all the three vectors and equating to 0, finding the determinant, and we'll get the value of lambda. Yes, so let us try. So I'm getting determinant equal to 0. So who is there in the first line now? First line I have to write the coefficients of I cap, J cap, K cap only. So 2 minus 3 and a 4. Second line 2, 1 minus 1. Third line lambda minus 1 and a 2. Now, here let me expand by the first row. So, it is plus 2 into, delete the column and the row. So, you are getting 2 minus 1. So, you are getting 2 minus 1. Minus of minus 3. So, it is plus 3 into. So, delete the column and the row. So, you are getting 4 minus, here you are getting, yes, delete the column and the row. So, 4 plus lambda. 2 2s are 4, minus of minus lambda, that is 4 plus lambda. Okay, then plus 4 into, okay, plus 4 into, delete the column and the row, minus 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Open the bracket, get the value of lambda. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 lambda minus 8 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. So group the lambdas together and the numbers together. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Shift the lambda to the other side. Therefore, lambda is equal to 12. Here you are getting 12 minus 8 minus 4 plus 4. Okay, plus 4 and 2, you are getting lambda value equal to 6. And yes, I have 6 as a D option. Yes, hope you have understood. Yes, we move on to the next question. Yes, so come to the next question, 50th one. The point 1 minus 3, 4 lies in which octant? This is the concept of three-dimensional geometry. Okay, of your first PU portion, if you remember, octant, where which octant the point lies comes in the first PU. Okay, yes. So how to find out? I have a trick for you. Just to look at the trick and you will get this answer. Okay, yes. So what we do, I can't draw the 8 octants in the screen here. So I have drawn the 4 only. So what we will do, first you know the quadrant sign. No, in the first quadrant, what is the sign? X is also plus, Y is also plus. Second quadrant, minus and plus. First always X, then Y. Third quadrant, both are minus, minus, minus. Fourth quadrant, plus and minus. Okay, so now what you do is 4 plus you are writing, 4 minus you are writing. Okay, so first what is the step I told you? Write the quadrant, the 4 quadrant sign, plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. Then I told you you have to just write 4 plus, 4 plus. Okay, so this becomes first quadrant, first octant, second octant, third octant, fourth octant. Now just put a slash like this. Now you have to write 4 minus. That is 5th octant, 6th octant, 7th octant, 8th octant. Now how to find out 5th one? First plus and plus is the same. For the third sign you have to check the minus. Here also minus plus is the same. For the third sign you have to check the minus for the next round. Okay, minus, minus and minus, and plus, minus and then minus. So now which is this point given to us? 1 minus 3 and a 4. So which octant it lies? We want plus, minus, plus. Check. Plus, minus, plus is here, and it is first, second, third, fourth octant. So therefore your option is fourth octant. Is that clear? Yes. Okay. So therefore we are getting the fourth octant. Fine. Yes, we move on to the next question. Yes. So 51, question number 51. If A and B are unit vectors, now this concept is from vectors. Okay, if A and B are unit vectors, what comes to my mind if they are unit vectors? Magnitude is equal to 1. So magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B is equal to 1. theta is the angle between A and B. Look at the question, what is asked? Sine theta by 2. How do I work it out? How do I work it out? I want sine theta by 2. So get the idea. What is A minus B the whole square? It is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So 2A dot B can be written as, so therefore this is equal to, here you are having A minus B the whole square, write it as it is. Here 1 plus 1. What is A dot B? A dot B is nothing but AB cos theta, correct? AB cos theta. Okay, so minus 2 into A and B is 1, so therefore you are getting cos theta. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so take out 2 common, you are getting 1 minus cos theta. Remember, you want sine theta by 2, and you know half angle formula, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. So therefore I wanted 1 minus cos theta, so therefore I used A minus B the whole square. So here I am getting A minus B the whole square equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. So use the formula. So you are getting A minus B vector the whole square is equal to 2 into 2 sine square theta by 2. Yes. So now, what is sine square theta by 2 from this? Sine square theta by 2 is equal to magnitude of A minus B the whole square divided by 4. The question asked is just sine theta by 2. So take the square root. So sine theta by 2 is magnitude of A minus B whole divided by 2, and therefore our B option. Yes. Hope you have understood how the problems which I have solved in today's class. Yes. Okay, so the remaining, yes. Yes, hope the ideas are clear. Yes, Tulsi? Sujay? What is the doubt here? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Sudha has understood. Savita, Sridhar, Swati. Yes. Okay. Yes. So watch this video. If you have any doubts, your doubts will be cleared because I've explained it clearly to you. Okay. Yes. I'll be back with the next session very soon. Thank you so much for joining.